Do you want to talk about it some more?
Dinner together too. And they live in the same treehouse, so they play together all the time. But I wish they would play with me.
Oh, it sounds like you're feeling left out.
I was left out, and it's making me so sad.
It's okay. But the owl in Katerina's house on the way home.
So what were Paul and Katerina doing today?
Well, they were playing ladybugs together. They had Ladybug Wings, and Ladybug and